Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix BitLocker Recovery Windows 11 in HP computer. When your HP laptop unexpectedly boot into the BitLocker recovery screen, it is usually because the recent BIOS update or hardware change. Okay, let's see how to fix that one. First, you need to find hidden recovery key in your Microsoft account. Most HP laptops come with the device encryption enabled by default right out of the box. So first you need to it is a 48 digit numeric BitLocker key. First you need to grab your smartphone or another working computer and you need to open web browser. Then you need to go to this website that I am going to show and hit enter. That is account.microsoft.com devices recovery key. Okay, you can see this kind of window appears. So you need to enter your Microsoft email that you are using. You need to use the exact same Microsoft email account that is used on your HP laptop. Once you logged in, you will see a list containing your device name, key ID and long recovery key kind of options. Look at the blue BitLocker screen on your HP laptop and find the key ID printed there. Match it up with the key ID on the website to ensure you are entering the correct number string. Type that 48 key carefully into your HP laptop and hit the enter. Then it will be fixed. That lock will be gone. And the second method is reset the HP BIOS configuration to clear fake triggers. If your hardware encryption got confused due to the power surge or temporary motherboard glitch, you can force the HP hardware architecture to reread the internal security chips. To do that, you need to press and hold your laptop physical power button for 10 seconds to force it completely off. Disconnect any external USB drives, mics, keyboard or secondary monitors kind of things. Turn the laptop back on and immediately start tapping the F10 key repeatedly until the HP BIOS setup utility screen appears. Once inside the BIOS menu, look at the bottom option and press 9 to load the setup default. This clear out the glitch temporary boot values without deleting your files and confirm by selecting yes. Then after you need to press F10 to save and exit. Let the laptop reboot normally to see if bypass the blue screen error. So the third method is you need to use command prompt to turn off BitLocker. To do that, on the blue BitLocker recovery screen, look at the bottom option and press EAC or the Windows key. Then it will be open additional recovery options. So you will see this kind of screen appears, this kind of blue screen. In this menu you need to go to the troubleshoot option, then go to advanced options and click on command prompt. Okay, once it is loaded, you need to type this command. This is the unlock command actually. Manage space dash BDR space dash unlock space your Windows drive double dot space dash recovery password space and your 48 recovery password you need to enter like this and hit enter. So first you need to find this 48 key using your Microsoft account, that is in the first method. Once you enter that one and unlock your drive, you need to again type this command manage dash BDR space dash off space your Windows drive double dot and hit enter. Because you need to turn off continuous loop encryption background process entirely using this command. Okay, so these are the methods you can try to fix your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.